The global slab repair products market, segmented by product type, end-user industry, and geography, Trends and Forecast 2018 to 2023 report has been added to researchandmarkets.com's offering. The global slab repair products market is expected to register a CAGR of 6.5% during the forecast period, 2018 to 2023. Selecting the appropriate level of corrosion protection is based on many factors, such as the amount of concrete damage, the level of chloride contamination. To prevent corrosion activities from occurring around concrete or at other interfaces between new and old concrete and infrastructures such as bridge widening, wall joints, office buildings, monuments, etc., a simple localized corrosion prevention strategy utilizing slab repair systems can be achieved. Flooring compounds are mostly polyurethane-based. Typically static cracks and live cracks are filled with a flexible material, such as polyurethane. Cracks subject to water ingress can be filled using polyurethane that react to the presence of water to form foam or to create a complete seal. Geographically, the market has been segmented into Asia-Pacific, North America, Europe, South America, and Middle East. In 2017, Europe was the leading consumer in slab repair products, followed by North America and Asia-Pacific. Although the market is somewhat finite in scope, it is diverse to address the niche. Companies mention Silpro Corporation, the Western Group of Onic Degusid GmbH, Sabacliffe RGSA, Schaumburg GmbH, the Sherwin-Williams Company, Sika Corporation, BASFS, Eartec Worldwide, Walker Parking Consultants, Structural Preservation Systems Inc., AG's Argyles. Market Dynamics 5. Market Segmentation and Analysis 6. Regional Market Analysis 7. Future of the Market 8. Competitive Landscape 9. Company Profiles 10. Disclaimer: for more information about this report visit https://www.researchandmarkets.com/research/global_slab?w=4 view source version on businesswire.com https://www.businesswire.com/news/home/201524005901/n/source. Research and Markets, researchandmarkets.com. Laura Wood, Senior Manager Press at researchandmarkets.com. For EST office hours, call 1-917-300-0470 for U.S., CAN toll-free call 1-800-526-8630. For GMT office hours, call 353-1-416-8900. Related topics: cement and concrete. Copyright Business Wire 2018.